morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How is your afternoon? Have you taken lunch?
Yes.
Okay. Umeshiba. Sawa. Now, today I want us to talk about something new, though not so new. I know some of you have an idea about it. So by the end of this lesson, number one, you should be able to define what data communication is. Are we together?
Yes.
Number two, you should be able to explain the key components of communication. Explain and finally, number three, you should be able to explain the key concept of networks. Okay?
Yes.
Now to start, we are going to talk about data communication. Now who can tell us what communication is? What do you understand by the term communication? Yes.
We can say communication
Yeah.
is to pass a message from one point to another or from one person to another.
Communication is to pass a message from one point to another, one person to another. We do that every day, isn't it?
Yes.
In simple terms, we can put it that way. What about data? Who can tell us about data? What is data? Yes.
Data are raw facts and figures that are meaningless to a user.
Yes. Raw facts and figures. So data is raw facts and figures. And communication is passing of information, isn't it?
Yes.
Is it passing of information or communication? Sorry. Passing of information. That is what you said, right?
Yes.
So if we combine these two, what do we say data communication is? Raw facts and figures. While communication, we pass the information, isn't it? So when we talk of data communication, it's simply passing of raw facts and figures. So in definition, you can say that communication, data communication, are you writing?
Yes.
Okay. Data communication are you with me?
Yes.
Good. Data communication refers to the exchange of data between two or more devices. So here we say is the exchange of data between two or more devices. Between two or more devices through a transmission medium. Through a transmission medium. Are we okay up to that point? Yes. Good. Now, how many have communicated apart from the normal talking that we do? We have different ways of data communication. When you call someone using your phone, what do you call that? That is data communication, isn't it? When you send an email, that is also communication. Those are the simple examples that we have. And for effective communication, the communication needs to be what? To be accurate. Are we together? Yes. For communication to be successful, communication needs to be accurate. It should be timely. Imagine someone calling you, sending you a message, for example, at 8 a.m., then you receive it at 4 a.m. You see that communication, if it was urgent, then you're not going to get somewhere, isn't it? Good. So it has to be timely. Another one, it has to be efficient. It should use minimal resources. Communication do not need rocket science. Yeah? So it should take minimal resources, it be accurate, it be timely. Are we together? Good. So now that we know what data communication is, let's move to the next part. Let's identify the key components of communication. Key components of communication. Who can tell us? Good. Let's just list them. Number one, for communication to take place, there needs to be a sender. Number one is a sender. Sender. And who is a sender? Sender is that device that sends the data. Remember, we are doing data, we are talking of data communication. So the sender sends the data. Number two, after the sender, we go to the receiver. So who is the receiver? The device that receives the data. Data communication, exchange of data, two or more devices. So we have the sender, we have the receiver. Number three is the message. The message. The message. And message is the actual data being communicated. The actual data being communicated. Then number four, we have the medium. The medium of communication. And lastly, we have the protocol. Protocol refers to the set of rules that governs the communication. Are we together? Good. Now that you know the components and you can research more on that still, I'll give you something so that you can do as an assignment. And I'll let you to check on this. Next time we'll talk about the concept of computer networks. But at your own time, I want you to go and look into computer networks. Or rather, instead of explaining, go and research. Go and research on computer networks and the different types of networks. Yeah, that will be all for today. You have a wonderful afternoon.